Women are a dominant force in India. Any development work planned by the government needs the support of women. The farming of seaweeds is fast emerging lucrative income generating activity for coastal populace of our country. The commercial farming of K. alvarezi is the best example of community-based coastal resource management offering diversified livelihood to coastal inhabitants. The production cycles are rapid, spanning over only 45 days. Thus, economic returns on farming are high as compared to other aquaculture and land-based agriculture. The engagement of women is tying seedlings, preparation of planting material, assistance in harvesting, drying, cleaning, sorting biomass enables them to achieve economic independence. Seaweed farming is paving the way for women and young entrepreneurs through organized self-help groups. There are over 50 SHG currently engaged in seaweed farming in Tamil Nadu. These groups typically have 5 to 12 members and were trained and supported by CSIR, Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute. The techniques employed in seaweed farming are simple, cost-effective, utilizes readily available material, does not require specialized skills, and can be practiced with little training to women fisherfolk. Kappa ficus cultivation is significant because high return on investment, demand for seaweeds is high in the local and international markets, culture period could be as short as 45 days under optimal conditions, environment-friendly method, could be a source of supplemental income for small-scale artisanal fisherfolk associations and people's cooperatives. The farming of Kappa ficus can be a low-cost venture and a profitable one. The accrued benefits are attracting more participation and offering opportunities for economic empowerment of women, contributing positively towards gender bias.
My husband is involved in the fishing activity which did not give us adequate income. We were unable to provide good education to our children. Thus we decided to do seaweed cultivation. We are now continuing the seaweed cultivation since last 10 years. In a year we earned 3 lakh rupees easily after deducting every expense including the expenses for family commitments. Our days are going very well. Recently we expanded our existing house. Although we are working hard, our earnings are better than before.
Apart from Tamil Nadu, Gujarat is also engaged in seaweed cultivation. Besides women, even men are now participating in the cultivation.
I used to work as a laborer. Last year, Central Salt people gave me training. After the training, I started earning well and profit also increased. Now we are earning better than working as a farmer.
Today men handle the sea plantation and extraction and women work on ground. They earn around 500 rupees per day working as laborers. Seaweed cultivation is a growing industry and its production has already increased from 21 dry tons in the year 2001 to 1490 dry tons in 2013. With increased purchase value of 4.5 rupees to 39 rupees per kg dry. The increase in seaweed cultivation will help save the nation huge amount of foreign exchange and generate lot of employment opportunities. We in India have the know-how. Our scientists have given us the technology to economically and socially develop